Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are searching for a perfect ROM full of customization and many features with extra battery backup and good gaming experience with stability and smoothness, then you are at right place. Today we are going to discuss about Xkang XR version 7.0 official update of June security update. This is the best ever ROM I have tried yet, and going far from this video, let me tell you first, thank you guys for my first 100 Cafe members of this channel. Now we have to achieve 200 subscribers. So let's start the video. So first of all, we are going to check about system setting here. In system, you will find some normal features here like multiple users and developer option. So you can use GIS King in GIS ROM, and you can also get OTA updates maybe in GIS ROM if developer brings it. In case of accessibility, you can check here magnification, color correction and color inversion, which is just working perfectly. You can also see the system UI just very good, awesome, very creative and looking just beautiful. Also you can see here custom navigation in Gasker navigation left edge right edge. You can easily customize these option. You can also use 2 buttons and 3 button option. So these options are working perfectly. After that you can see some information about privacy, so password and also some apps and notification. You can also utilize your storage uses. You can also gauge options. So next, let us see about apps and notification. You can see here default app used is bomb launcher as Xkang launcher. Also some options are given here. Just look at system UI, which is working very good, very smooth, no problem. You will have issue here. You can also check the quick tile option, which is very good, looking beautiful. It is colorful. You can customize this setting easily via customizable option. If we talk about its working, you can see night light is working perfectly. Also flashlight and dark theme in work color just working perfectly. Also the Wagger option is working perfectly. You can also turn off or turn on the battery saving mode from here. Dark theme is just working perfectly. Also here you can easily use gaming mode here. If we talk about AOG option, then you can check it is working just fine. You can use this option with many customizable features like edge lighting and colors of font and style of font. Also you can check here FPS info, and on the go option is just awesome in this room. You can easily convert your mobile phone into a transparent mobile phone. You can use any app. In addition, you can check works back of your phone. Also this is the best cover feature you can use in this room. I love this feature. At last, in this thing, I am going to check about customization option here. Let us check the grid size and launchers options. You can also check here home second notification, go text character and app icons. You can easily use this option in this room. Let's go further in this room and check the display option here. You can easily here check the night light intensity, which is very good. Also you can use a captive brightness, style and wallpaper, screen location and lock screen. Capco wake and Capco sleep option are just working perfectly. The blur option is very good. You can check double Capco sleep is working perfectly on lock screen and status, but also double Capco wake up is working good on lock screen. So these options are working very good. You will have no issue to use these options. After that we are going to check the extensions here. The customizable option, the most full of customization ROM. You can check here the dark theme has many options here. You can use any in dark theme. A sand color is here, gradient color, which is very good. Also multiple font options are given here, so you can usually use custom fonts. Also clock, sky, status bar, icons and switch skies. You can easily use these options, which will change your entire system UI of this ROM. Also G visual mode, status bar height, you can easily customize king tower style to make it colorful. So this is the option of theme room, which can be used very good. If we talk about here ambient display, again you can easily use this option as lighting, light view and color of font. So this is the best option you can change in this. Also get after that we are going to check some ambient display. In addition to these options, here is the animation style. You can check and add any animation to the activity close or activity open and multiple app exchange. So these animations are very cool. Also you can see the volume panel button is quite good, and volume cap is also given, so that you can customize the volume caps easily. You will have no problem to use this. Also here some music control and volume option given. In case of gestures, you can check a system navigation, prevent ringing. and quick codes, lock screen and status bar options. You can also check a 3 finger swipe down option just working perfectly for clicking screen. So kick is a very good option because if you want to click screen, so just swipe with your 3 fingers. Lock screen you can easily change the lock UI system of easily very good. You can customize charging info and temperature, unique charging animation designs. So Giz ROM has many more customizable options and features you can use to improve the look of your ROM. Navigation bar you can easily turn off or turn on some system settings. In case of notifications, you can easily use heads up and notification like charging like. And in case of power menu, you can easily customize which options are available in power menu option. In quick settings, you can easily use some kiosk designs like number of rows and number of column and to make it more beautiful and customizable option. In case of status bar, you can check lock and get carrier level, which is working very good. System icon graphic indicators is very working very good. So these options are working just good. In case of extra, some here gaming mode and some other options are given you can use. So if I talk about customization, this is the best ever ROM which has many customizable options and many features to use for your daily life. So this is the best ever ROM for customizing if you need to try it. And if we talk about your network in the Wi-Fi connectivity, hotspot connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity are all very good. And if I talk about your calling, then you can check here the call recording feature will not work, but after get later I try again it will work. So don't worry about call recording option. If you are using Nick Core apps, it will work perfectly, but you will have no feature of call video calling or native Wi-Fi calling options here not present. After that, let's check some other useful information or features of this ROM. Let's go to system UI smoothness. It is very smooth to use. And if we talk about banking apps here, you will have no issue to use any banking apps. All the apps are working which I have tried. I tried almost 4 to 5 banking apps including PhonePe, Google Pay and Paytm, which are working just fine. You will have no issue to use these apps like PhonePe, Google Pay and Paytm. Like SBH is working perfectly. Also guys, HDFC Net Banking is working fine. You will have no issue to use these banking apps. Also you can check here HDFC Bank is working perfectly. In addition to it, PhonePe, Google Pay and Paytm are also working fine. You can also try other banking apps which will work perfectly. I hope so. No app will be given any issue. If you face any issue in banking apps, please comment down in the comment section. You can check here Google Pay is working perfectly. So these are the some banking apps which is just working fine. You can also check here the Paytm working is fine. Let's check about Geekbench score now. For Geekbench score, I some go some low from other ROMs, but still is ROM has very good performance. And if we talk about native check again, there is permissive experimental option and by default the ROM is rocky. And if case of safety net is successfully passed, you will have no issue in safety net case. Also the play score is certified, so you will have no issue in this king. Also you can check get the system a play score device is certified. And if we talk about here the camera feature, the default camera in this ROM is given camera go and camera go gallery. So this is the best camera you can use in this ROM. Also I have installed the Nikika Gcam 1.2 version, which is working very good. Only the issue I found in this camera is night mode, which is not working good. The night photography mode is not working. You can check it is dark only, so you cannot use night sight mode in this Gcam, but you can use the default Google camera in this ROM. Also Google gallery go is given here. You can use this gallery also to use the photos. And if we talk about here some another options here, another features of ROM which are working very good, the system UI just smoke and stable. You will have no issue to use these options. Let's check some other useful features of this ROM. You can check here the Vega option is just working fine. You will have no issue to use the Vega option. And if I talk about battery backup, the battery backup of this ROM is just awesome. You will have no issue for battery backup. Battery saver mode is just working fine. Also smart charging is working for temperature and also the value of charging. Some temperature issue you may have feel here, but try to change kernel. If you face any hacking issue, it will resolve your hacking issue. It is fixable thing, so not much worried about temperature issue of this ROM. Also, let's check some another options here. The bug I found or maybe on in my device only. Like I cannot access the screen lock. Let's check. I set here the screen lock in front of you like this, and when I reset it, now it is working very good on lock screen. So let us lock the screen and try to use it. You can see it is working very good. You will no issue to unlock the screen, but when I again access this setting, you can see the path wrong pattern shown here. Also, I cannot access fingerprinting app lock, but this issue is only my side. Many other users are using this ROM. They are not facing this ROM, so I will solve out it why this is happening with me. I may make a video on this next week if I find any solution for it. Let us talk about another options here. And if I talk about here call recording option, which is working very good. Also, many features are given in call recording like microphone IGO, system IGO, box IGO. Also, the size and notification go and with touch go, which is working very good. You can see the recording has ScarKick, and you can easily customize the internal IGO will also be recording in it. And also in gaming, this screen record will not lag your game and will work perfectly without any hacking or without any issue. Also, here a compass is working perfectly. Also, you can check here Google Assistant is just working fine. So this ROM has almost all features working and no feature is broken here, and no much bugs I found in this ROM. So this is the best ever ROM for customization, battery backup and gaming. Also, the sound is very good in this ROM. You will no issue for your sound. The sound quality is very good in media volume, also calling sound and Bluetooth IQ, which are very good. The only issue is this here. The vibration is working perfectly, but you can easily customize the vibration. But when you touch on custom, when you try to use custom vibration setting, the phone revoke itself. So this is the bug I found in this ROM, which is very big issue. Maybe in next update developer will resolve this issue. Otherwise, you will have no issue in this ROM to use for multiple usage. So you can use this ROM for many good things. And if we talk about here gaming, more than the game in gaming, you can also have good battery backup with good performance. Also, hacking issue is not in gaming, so you can use this ROM for gaming purpose also. You will have a smooth gameplay, not much best gameplay ever, but still you can have a good gameplay for your normal gaming. If I talk about extreme gaming, then maybe you have some issue here. Also, though the bug, if I talk about bugs here, the go on the go feature here works sometime or scope sometime, it sometime crashes. The another bug I found, I have already called you the vibration bug. You cannot customize the vibration upon reboot itself. This is the bug I found. Also, third bug I found is Gaga temperature. Temperature is not a big issue. You can change the kernel of this ROM to avoid a temperature issue. So these are some bugs I found. Otherwise, this ROM has no bugs. Let's talk about gaming here. And guys, I have told you earlier that my device having some multiple cut issues in gameplay and typing. So guys, please tell me this solution so that I can have better gameplay review. So enjoy the gaming now, and let's make in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Okay. Reggie.